We've all seen those classic modern hairstyles on social media, where the hair flows naturally down the back of the neck. It looks effortless, but for a lot of guys, getting that back length feels almost impossible. You wait for weeks, but the length just seems to stay stuck in the exact same spot. The truth is, your hair is likely growing, but certain habits and external factors are keeping you from seeing that progress. If you want to break past that plateau, here are 5 practical steps to help you get that length. First, you need to establish a very clear boundary with your barber. During a routine trim, it is incredibly common for a barber to clean up the neckline out of habit. They might think they are just making you look neat, but even a tiny cleanup can set your progress back by a full month. To avoid this, you need to be highly specific before the clippers or scissors ever touch your head. Try saying something simple, like, "I am growing out the back for a longer style, so please do not touch the length or the neckline at all." You can let them clean up the sides or top to keep the shape decent, but the back must remain completely untouched. Don't assume they will remember this from your last visit, so make sure to remind them every single time you sit in the chair. Second, let's look at how you are nourishing your hair from the inside. Slow hair growth and excess shedding are very often linked to minor, common nutrient deficiencies. 2 of the most important nutrients for this process are zinc and biotin. Biotin helps support the keratin infrastructure of your hair, making the individual strands more resilient. Zinc plays a critical role in hair tissue growth and helps keep the oil glands around the follicles working properly. You can easily find these in everyday foods like eggs, whole grains, legumes, and nuts. However, if your daily diet isn't consistent, picking up a basic, budget-friendly multivitamin from the pharmacy is a simple way to fill those gaps. Third, try incorporating regular scalp stimulation into your weekly routine. Your hair roots rely entirely on steady blood circulation to receive the oxygen and nutrients needed for growth. When circulation is poor, the hair follicles can receive less nourishment, leading to slower growth and weaker strands. You can easily improve this by giving yourself a manual scalp massage for about 5 minutes, twice a week. Use the pads of your fingers and apply gentle, circular pressure across your entire scalp. You can do this on completely dry hair, or you can do it in the shower while your conditioner is sitting in your hair to save time. Fourth, we need to talk about hydration, which is one of the most overlooked aspects of hair health. When your body is dehydrated, it prioritizes keeping your vital internal organs functioning first. Because your hair is not essential for survival, it is often the first place to lose moisture when you aren't drinking enough. This lack of internal moisture makes your hair dry and highly prone to mechanical breakage. This means your hair is still growing from the root, but you are losing the length at the bottom due to breakage. Try to drink at least 3 liters of water every day. Finally, you have to mentally prepare yourself for the inevitable, awkward phase. There will be a period of a few months where your hair is too long to style easily, but too short to tie back or lay flat. It might look a bit messy or uneven, and this is exactly when most guys get frustrated and decide to cut it all off. If you can commit to a 90-day rule where you promise yourself not to make any hasty hair decisions for 3 months, you will get past it. During this phase, you can use light styling creams, hats, or headbands to keep it under control while it gains weight and settles down. If you stay consistent with these basic habits, your hair will eventually get to the length and style you want. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.